what is the value of x, given that you have this divided by this one? Then let's have it to be solution. From here, let's group this together with this. So we're going to have x plus 2 in parentheses multiplied by x plus 5. Let's take this and this together. We have x plus 3 multiplied by x plus 4 in parentheses. Then let also do for this. We have x minus 2 in parentheses multiplied by x minus 5 in parentheses. Then let also do for this. We have x minus 3 in parentheses multiplied by x minus 4 in parentheses. Then everything equals 1. So from here, let's open the bracket. This times this, we have x squared plus this 2 plus 5 will give us 7x as this. Then 2 times 5 will give us 10. We have this as this in parentheses. Multiply by x times x will give us x squared. 3 plus 4 will give us 7. So here will be 7x. 3 times 4 will give us 12. So divided by this times this will also give us x squared minus 7x plus 10 minus 2 times minus 5 will give us plus 10. Here as well, x times x will give us x squared minus 3 minus 4 will give us minus 7x plus minus times minus will be plus. 3 times 4 will give us 12. Then let's set everything to be equals 1. So from here, let's express this. So, but first let's have this as x squared plus 7x plus 10 as this. Then multiply by, here will be x squared plus 7x plus 10 plus 2. 10 plus 2 will give us 12. Divided by x squared minus 7x plus 10 as this. Let's have this as x squared minus 7x plus 10 plus 2 as this. Then let's set everything to be equals 1. You can see that from numerator, x squared plus 7x plus 10 is common. We have it here, we also have it here. X squared minus 7x plus 10 is also common. We have it here, we also have it here. So let x squared plus 7x plus 10 to be equals a. And likewise, let's x squared minus 7x plus 10 to be equals b. So definitely, here will be a, here will be a plus 2, here will be b, here will be b plus 2. So we have a into a plus 2 for the numerator. The denominator will be b multiplied by b plus 2. Then everything equals 1. So when you cross multiply, note that this one will be divided by 1. Or let's have this first as a times a will give us a squared plus a times 2 will give us 2a divided by b times b will give us b squared plus b times 2 will give us 2b equals 1. Then divided by 1. A squared plus 2a multiplied by 1, we have here to be a squared plus 2a equals b squared plus 2b multiplied by 1. Here will be b squared plus 2b. So from here, let's take all these terms to the other side. We have a squared minus b squared, this and this. Then let's have 2a minus 2b. Then let's set everything to be equal 0. Then recall from difference of 2 squared, here equals a plus b in parentheses multiplied by a minus b in parentheses. This, only this one. But here we have 2 in common, so we can factor it out. We are going to have 2 into a minus b. Then we set everything to be equal 0. So from here, we are going to have, we have a minus b in common, so we can have here to be a minus b in parentheses. Then the whole of this term divided by this, we only have a plus b left. This also divided by this, we only have 2 left. Then we close it, we set everything to be equal 0. So from here, we have to apply, when you have xy to be equal 0 from the product property law, from here is either we have x to be equal 0 or we have y to be equal 0 for this expression to be equal 0. Likewise happen to this is either we have a minus b equals 0 or we have a plus b plus 2 equals 0 before we can have this expression to be equal 0. So from here, from this, let's say case 1, we have a minus b equals 0. Then we are going to have a to be equals b. Then let us recall that a equals x squared plus 7x plus 10, then equals b equals x squared minus 7x plus 10. So from here, obviously, this man and this man will cancel, so we are going to have 7x plus 10 equals minus 7x plus 10. Likewise, this man will also cancel this man, so we are going to have 7x equals minus 7x. Taking this one to the other side, we have 7x plus 7x, then we set everything to be equal 0. From here, 7x plus 7x will give us 14x equals 0. So dividing through by 14 to get the possible value of x, this man and this man will cancel. So we are going to have x to be equals 0 divided by 14 will give us 0. That is our first case solution. Then let us go and check the second solution. So from here, we have case 2 to be equals this. Then we have our a to be equals x squared plus 7x plus 10 plus b equals x squared minus 7x plus 10. Then we have here to be plus 2. Then everything equals 0. So from here, this man and this man will cancel. X squared plus x squared, we have 2x squared. 10 plus 10 will give us 20 plus 2. Then everything equals 0. So from here, we have 2x squared plus this 20 plus 2 will give us 22. Then we have everything to be equal 0. So from here, I think 2 is common. So when we factor it out as this, here will be x squared. 22 divided by 2 will give us 11. We close it. We set everything to be equal 0. Dividing through by 2, this and this we cancel. So we have x squared plus 11 equals 0 divided by 2 will give us 0. So from here, we have x squared to be equals minus 11. So to get the value of x, we take the square root of both sides. So this and this we cancel. We have x to be equals positive or negative root of 11 times minus 1. So we have x to be equals positive or negative root of 11 times root of minus 1. So from here, we have x to be equals positive or negative root of 11i, because root of minus 1 equals I in a complex space. So we also have another complex solution here to be equals this. Mind you that we also have x to be equals 0. So if you are new here and you find this video interesting, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more math tutorial videos. Bye-bye.